In the summer of 1954, 22 white 11-year-old boys were sent to a special remote summer camp at Robbers Cave State Park in Oklahoma. Each child was unknown to one another, but shared common background traits such as ethnicity, religion, and a two-parent upbringing. They were told they would be living together on this scout campsite, but first, they must get to know each other and pick a group name to solidify the bond between them. The boys engaged in regular summer camp activities like swimming, hiking, and playing games. They chose the name the Eagles and stenciled it onto white flags. Unbeknownst to them, another group of 11 to 12-year-old boys across the park had given themselves the name the Rattlers. Neither group was aware of the other, and they were also unaware that they would be competing against each other in various summer camp activities. What the children didn't know was that their camp counselors were actually researchers conducting a psychology experiment into intergroup conflict. The researchers had created these groups by randomly selecting and balancing attributes of the 22 boys. The study aimed to reveal the tribal mentality that has allowed humans to thrive as a species, but has also been responsible for historical horrors. The experiment would be described as the real-life Lord of the Flies, showing the dark side of science. The experiment was led by Muzafer Sherif, a psychologist born in the Ottoman Empire in 1906. Sherif was influenced by the works of William McDougall and studied instinct and social psychology. He later moved to the USA, where he became a proponent of communist ideology, leading to conflicts with the anti-communist sentiment of the time. Sherif's wife Carolyn, also a psychologist, collaborated with him on various works. Sherif's experiment involved 3 stages. In the first stage, the boys formed in groups and bonded through activities. In the second stage, competition was introduced between the 2 groups, leading to hostility and conflict. In the third stage, attempts were made to integrate the groups through common goals and activities. The results showed that intergroup friction increased with competition but could be reduced with common goals. The study has been used to explain realistic conflict theory, where intergroup hostility arises from competition over limited resources. However, the study has been criticized for its ethical and methodological issues, including the use of children without informed consent and the manipulation of the experiment by the researchers. Overall, the Robbers Cave experiment highlighted the complexities of intergroup relations and the role of competition and cooperation in shaping group behavior.